Top 5 Best Soundbars. 1. Sonos Arc Ultra, Best Overall Soundbar. The Sonos Arc Ultra tops many expert lists as the most refined all-around soundbar available. It delivers immense Dolby Atmos immersion, great clarity for movies and music, and deep bass when paired with a sub. In independent testing, it's frequently cited as the best soundbar, bar none. Why it's great? Immersive 9.1.4 Dolby Atmos sound, excellent clarity and dynamics, sleek modern design, works well in multi-room setups, best for premium audio and home cinema systems. 2. Samsung HW-Q99F Series, Best Dolby Atmos System. The Samsung HW-Q99F Series is one of the most immersive Dolby Atmos soundbar packages you can buy. It includes a subwoofer and rear speakers for a true 11.1.4 surround experience. Reviewers still rank it as a top choice for movies and Atmos content. Why it's great? Full wireless surround with height channels, strong bass with dedicated sub, advanced features like SpaceFit sound, best for full home cinema immersion and surround sound. 3. Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9, Best Premium Sony Option. The Sony Bravia Theater Bar 9 is Sony's top modern soundbar, impressing reviewers with clear detail, great height effects, and punchy performance. It's a major upgrade over Sony's previous top models. Why it's great? Excellent Dolby Atmos and DTX processing, rich detailed signature, multiple HDMI inputs for connectivity, best for Sony ecosystem and cinematic performance. 4. JBL Bar 1300 MK2, Best High Performance Feature Set. The JBL Bar 1300 MK2 delivers a huge soundstage with removable wireless surround speakers that double as Bluetooth speakers, making it a very versatile premium choice. Recent testing highlights its powerful surround and bass along with advanced connectivity options. Why it's great? True removable wireless surrounds, massive bass and output, excellent connectivity and app controls, best for enthusiasts who want flexible, powerful surround sound. 5. Samsung HW-QS700F, Best Mid-Range Dolby Atmos Pick. The Samsung HW-QS700F is a strong middle-of-the-road option, combining a wireless subwoofer with Dolby Atmos support. It's less refined than the premium picks above, but excellent value and immersive enough for most living rooms. Why it's great? Subwoofer included at mid-range price, clear dialogue and solid bass, Dolby Atmos and DTX support.